Are you searching for the best XSDTS smart locks? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best XSDTS smart locks in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1. XSDTS New Smart Door Lock. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 2. XSDTS 3D Face Smart Door Lock. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 3. TUYA Wi-Fi Outdoor Waterproof Smart Lock. Amazing waterproofness. All electronic components are filled with waterproof glue to comprehensively improve waterproofness. Installation environment. It can be used not only in traditional single-sided doors, but also in fence gates to prevent strangers from entering and unlocking, thus comprehensively upgrading your home security. Multi-language. AISUO is the world's first developer of multi-language smart locks. This door lock is available in 8 popular languages, abandoning the traditional English smart lock and making it closer to your life. Custom function. You can match the door opening button to make your door opening method simpler. Amazing price. As a model that has been active in the smart lock market for a long time, M3 not only has a stable system, but also has an ultra-low price from the factory, facing the seller directly, making your home smart construction cost lower.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. TUYA Wi-Fi Fingerprint Lock Outdoor Waterproof Bluetooth TTLock. IP66 Waterproof Outdoor Fingerprint Door Lock. The front panel is equipped with waterproof cover and silicone pad, with better dual waterproof effect. The interlock mainboard is covered with waterproof glue and waterproof rubber pad. After multiple experimental tests, the lock is very safe for use in rainstorm and sunlight. The fingerprint door lock has a built-in 360 degrees biometric fingerprint sensor, which has fast fingerprint recognition speed and high accuracy, support 100 biometric fingerprints to unlock. The IC card door lock has a built-in high-sensitivity card reader chip, high recognition rate and accuracy. The smart door lock supports 2 emergency unlocking methods: mechanical key, old-fashioned unlocking method, unlocking, and USB emergency power supply. When the door lock is out of power, you can use the power bank to charge the charge. Specifications: material, zinc alloy, available color, black-gray, unlock modes, fingerprint, password, IC card, app, mechanical key, supported app name, TUYA app, TTLock app, fingerprint recognition time, 0.25s, fingerprint users, 100 PCS, card users, 100 PCS, password users, 100 PCS. Number 5. XSDTS Tuya Wi-Fi Digital Electronic Smart Door Lock. XSDTS Tuya Wi-Fi Digital Electronic Smart Door Lock with biometric camera fingerprint smart card password key unlock.